You realize your document looks like it was made in a high school computer lab. That is the moment you start looking for better tools. You want that polished look. You do not want to spend your entire weekend watching tutorials on how to align a single text box. Let's get down to the brass tacks. We are looking at the two biggest players in the layout world. One is like a friendly neighbor who offers to help you move. The other is an elite architectural firm. You have used standard office tools for writing or presentations. If so, you already know how to use the first option. It is built for the busy person. You need a flyer or a menu done by lunch. You get a simple drag and drop system. It feels intuitive and safe. You pick a template. You drop in your photos. You are basically at the finish line. It is great for those small local tasks. You do not require a massive budget for these jobs. But then we look at the industry giant. This is the software that every professional designer uses. They create the magazines and books you see in the store with it. It is a complex landscape of menus and settings. It can feel overwhelming at first glance. However, that complexity exists for a reason. It gives you absolute control over every tiny detail of the page. You want your words to wrap perfectly around an irregular image. If so, this is your tool. You need to manage the exact spacing between every single letter. This is your tool. It is designed for massive projects that span hundreds of pages. It handles high-resolution photography like a dream. Color management is another strong suit. It also talks to other creative software seamlessly. If you are working on a Mac, your choice is already made. The simpler option does not even exist for your computer. You have to go with the Pro version. Cost is the next big hurdle. The professional software requires a monthly subscription fee. The fee never ends. It is an investment in a career. The simpler tool is often already included in your Office Suite subscription. It feels like a bonus. For a small business owner, the simple option is a lifesaver. You just need a quick newsletter or some basic business cards. It saves time and money. But if you are aiming for a high-end publication, then you need the professional standard. The output quality for commercial printing is vastly superior. It ensures that the deep blues and vibrant reds you see on your monitor actually show up that way on the paper. You have to decide if you want a tool that is easy to learn, or perhaps you want a tool that is powerful enough to handle anything. One is a bicycle and the other is a high-speed motorcycle. Both will get you down the road. The experience of getting there is completely different. Focus on your specific needs today. Do not worry about what you might need 5 years from now. If you just need to get the word out, then keep it simple. If you want to build a design empire, then it is time to start the steep climb. The professional learning curve is real. Choose the tool that fits the scale of your project. Think about the size of your budget right now. It is all about finding the right balance between simplicity and sheer power for your unique situation.